Welcome to today's body scan meditation. I'm so glad you're here with us today. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Take a moment to adjust your body, ensuring you're in a space where you can fully relax and let go. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Allowing your lungs to fill completely. Hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do this a few more times, inhaling deeply, hold it for a moment, and exhaling fully. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. Now, bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a warm, gentle light resting there. Bringing a sense of calm and relaxation. Allow this light to begin its journey down your body. Feel the light moving down to your forehead, smoothing away any tension. Let it flow into your temples, easing any tightness. Allow your eyes to soften and relax, feeling any stress melt away. As the light moves down to your cheeks, notice how it releases any tightness in your jaw. Let your lips part slightly, allowing your face to be completely at ease. Bring your attention to your neck and shoulders. We often carry a lot of tension here. Imagine the light gently massaging this area, releasing any knots or tightness. Feel your shoulders drop and relax as the light continues its journey. Now, let the light travel down your arms, passing through your biceps, elbows, and forearms. Feel the warmth and relaxation spreading through your muscles. Allow the light to reach your hands and fingers, bringing a sense of calm and ease. Bring your awareness to your chest. With each breath, feel the light expanding within you. Filling your heart with peace and tranquility. Let it flow down to your abdomen, releasing any tension or stress held in this area. Feel your stomach soften and relax. Next, move your focus to your back. Imagine the light cascading down your spine, soothing each vertebra as it travels. Feel the muscles in your back release and relax, allowing any tension to simply melt away. Now, bring the light to your hips, pelvis, and lower abdomen. These areas can often hold deep-seated tension. Allow the light to gently ease any discomfort, bringing a sense of balance and relaxation. Let the light continue down your legs, passing through your thighs, knees, and calves. Feel the warmth and relaxation spreading through your muscles. As it reaches your ankles, feet, and toes, allow any remaining tension to release completely. Take a few moments to scan your entire body. from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Notice how you feel. Embrace the sense of relaxation and peace that now flows through you. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretch your body, and when you feel ready, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today. If this meditation helped you, please share your experience in the comments below. Let's create a community where we support and inspire each other. Have a wonderful day, and remember to carry this sense of calm with you. Feel free to repeat this meditation whenever you need a moment of relaxation and peace. Remember, your journey to mindfulness and well-being is unique and valuable. Thank you for being here, and I look forward to meditating with you again soon.